Welcome to NAPCO Video Tech Tips. This is Tom. Today I'm going to be doing a video, the start of videos on a receiver program that we came out with. It's called IP Server, the NAPCO IP Server. The IP Server is a receiver program that you load onto two computers. It's going to be a primary and a backup, and it will allow you to have your NL mods from your UL Netlink receiver imported into it, and also have your GSM Starlink GSM radios report into it, and then you would just forward it over to your automation package just like you would any other kind of receiver. So first thing you want to do, so this is the start of the video, so I'm going to do a series of these videos. You go onto the NAPCO website, you do have to log in, you go to software and downloads and go to NAPCO. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for the program that says VIP Receiver. You want to click on that. And this will give you to the software program download page. Now, a couple of things I want to go over first is, one, you are going to need a license. Okay, we give you a free license to start off with, which is a 50 unit free license, which means you can load 50 accounts on. And you want to do this first, so you can just copy and paste this licensing link to your email. And then what you want to ask for is a 50 unit license. So that's a free license to start off with. Now that will give you the opportunity to load the program on, set up your primary and your backup, and maybe do some test accounts to get familiar with the system. Also, you want to go to the receiver installation instructions. So if you click here, okay, you're going to be brought over to the virtual receiver instructions, and you want to download those as well. And then if I go back to the download from here, a couple of things I want to go over. So to begin with, like I said, you're going to get a free license, okay, to get you familiar with everything. Eventually, when you start loading, more accounts onto your system, you are going to have to purchase a license, and these are licensing fees. And also, you want to take note of the minimum system requirements. Okay, for a single receiver configuration, which is non-UL, you want to have two PCs. Okay, two of the same PCs with these requirements, because you want to have a primary and a failover. So if something happens to the primary, it fails over and it's still working and receiving codes. So if you just scroll down, you can actually download this, copy and paste it when you download the software. You are going to need two NIC cards, network interface cards, on each of the computers in order for it to work correctly. And you have memory requirements, and then highlights, and then UL requirements, and then at the bottom here you have click for UL certificate of compliance. So at this point, you would just click on download. Normally you're going to have a pop-up on your bottom tray, right above your bottom tray. Okay, once that's done, I just like to go in, show in folder, and then I'm just going to copy and paste it right onto my desktop. And then there is your VIP receiver installation program. So what I suggest is load it on your computer first. Okay, wait for your license before you open it up and you start installing it. Because if you just install this without the license, what's going to end up happening is it's going to start up, and then it's going to shut down and disable your NIC cards and create all kinds of havoc. So you don't want that. So once you get your license, okay, you would import your license onto your desktop of the same computer. And then the next video I'm going to do is a video on installing the program and registering the license. So look for that video. It's coming up next. Thanks for visiting NAPCO Technical Support Video Tech Tips.